Okay, video vlog check everybody. My name is Azrael and you are watching my YouTube channel that's all about lifestyle, travel, food, and tech. Okay, nasa kamay ko ngayon yung latest na smartphone ni Tecno Mobile Philippines, yung Tecno Pova. Minamarket nila to as their gaming mobile smartphone. So we're going to test it, but before we test it, i-unbox din muna natin. So launching nito sa October 15, 2020. Head over to Tecno Mobile Philippines Facebook page to get more info about this. At meron din silang launching na for the first 1,000 buyers, ibebenta nila to sa Shopee, sa kanilang Tecno Mobile flagship store. I think parang kung SRP nito is 6,999, almost 7,000. Pero sa promo nila this October 15 sa Shopee ay mag-around 6,500 na lang. Yun yung pagkakalang ko. Tapos may kasama siyang freebie. So kung target nyo to noon pa, just head to Tecno Mobile's Facebook page and also Shopee store. Okay, gaming smartphone daw to because of its specs. So let's check it out yo and let's unbox na natin to. Teka muna, bago natin i-unbox to, i-share ko muna sa inyo yung specs ng Tecno Pova. So ang features ng Tecno Pova, meron daw tong long standby for 30 days, may continuous music playing for 8 days, for phone calls, 64 hours daw. Tapos yung gaming daw is up to 20 hours. Wow! Matindi battery nito dahil may 6,000 mAh battery ito. So meron din siyang technology na anti-interference ability para sa Wi-Fi signal. So for the heat problems ng battery, ginawa nila ng solusyon. Naglagay silang thermal conductive material dun sa body ng phone kaya hindi siya mag-iinit, hindi mo mararamdaman yung init ng battery kung talagang want to sawa ka mag-gaming. Dito sa Tecno Pova, meron silang tinatawag na game mode na kung saan ay aalisin or ibablock niya yung mga notifications para yung game nyo ay hindi kayo maiistorbo. Meron din siyang Game Assistant 2.0. It is a toolbar on the phone to show the real-time status of the CPU and GPU during the operation or running of gaming apps or any apps, pwede yun. So, ito na ang total specs ng Tecno Pova. Meron siyang 6.8 inches na dot-in display. Ang kanyang resolution ay 720 by 1640. Ang kanyang CPU, it's a Helio G80 processor na octa-core. For the memory, meron siyang 6GB of RAM at ang kanyang storage ay 64GB. At I'm sure, expandable yan. Gumagamit siya ng HUAWEI na kanyang operating system based on Android 10. For the rear camera, it's a quad-core camera. Meron siyang 13 megapixel na may 1.8 aperture na clear lens. Tapos meron siyang 2 megapixel na depth control lens. Tsaka meron pa siyang 2 megapixel for macro lens at meron siyang AI lens. Tsaka meron siyang super quad flash. For the front camera, meron siyang 8 megapixel na dot-in AI selfie camera, dual front flash, AI beauty, tsaka portrait mode settings. Wow, pang selfie. Syempre, ito ay LTE ready. At for the sensor, meron siyang fingerprint sensor, ambient light sensor, G sensor, proximity sensor, electronic compass sensor. Ayan. For the battery, meron siyang 6,000 mAh battery. Talagang malaki ang battery capacity nito. At for charging, gumagamit siya ng 18 watts para sa flash charge. Yan isa sa mga features din ng Tecno Pova. Kailangan mo rin ng mabilis na charging din. So, body color nito comes in magic blue, speed purple, at dazzle black. So, ang nakuha natin color ay magic blue. Uy, blue. I like blue. Okay, so ang ginagawa natin, let's unbox this Tecno Pova gaming smartphone from Tecno Mobile Philippines. Let's do this. Okay guys, this is the Tecno Mobile's Pova. Kanilang bagong smartphone na mag-launch bukas October 15 at this is their gaming smartphone. Yun ang sabi nila. So, I got the magic blue color na body. And this is the box. Mayroon siyang kasamang tempered glass film. Sana nakadikit na, no? 64 yung kanyang 64GB yung storage niya, 6GB yung kanyang memory. Ayan, yan may Tecno na logo. So may mga specs dito, ayan nakalagay diyan. At so let's go. Unbox na natin at para matesting na rin natin tong Tecno Mobile, kanilang smartphone na pang games. Okay? So, open na natin. Yun. Wow. Check it out, yo. Ang laki pala, 6.8, malaki din pala siya. So, daming sticker na nakadikit dito ah. So, ito na siya. Nakamarket yung Helio G80 na processor, 6,000 mAh na battery, 18 watts na flash charge, at 6.8 inches sa dot-in display. Kulang na lang siyang dalawa, 7 inches na rin din siya, at katulad na rin siya nung nireview natin nung nakaraan, yung Tecno Pova 4. So, tanggalin na natin to. Yun, wow! Ganda! And sa likod din, tanggalin na natin to. Yun! Wow! Ang ganda ng color niya, oh. Parang yung, alam mo, yung hood ng kotse. Very shiny. Wow, color blue. Ganda. And that's the quad camera na may AI. Yan. For the front camera, ito siya. Ito yung fingerprint scanning. This is a micro USB. Ito yung microphone. 3.5mm jack for audio headphones. Sa left side, this is the Google Assistant. Medyo nakaka-trigger lang to, no? Pag yung sa Tecno Pova 4, nagagamit ko to, napipindot ko palagi, lumalabas palagi yung Google Assistant. Tapos sa right side, ito yung power at saka yung volume rocker. Sa taas, wala. It's very smooth. Ang ganda! Wow! 6.8 is good. Kasi parang gusto ko yung 7 inches. But for the 6.8, this is okay na rin din. Malaki-laki na rin din siya. Okay. So, what else ay inside the box? Pakita ko na rin din sa inyo yung laman. So, ito na guys, yung laman nung box ng Tecno Pova. So, laman niya is yung kasama yung, syempre, yung unit. This is the tempered glass film, the manual, their jelly casing. Importante to para hindi masira pag nabagsak. Meron din siya yung ejector ng SIM tray. Napakaliit. Meron siyang earphones. Yung kanilang micro USB na cable. At yung kanilang flash charger. Mabilis to mag-charge. Huwag nyo mawawala to kasi ito yung way na para makapag-charge siya ng mabilis. So, yan na yung laman. So, i-apply ko na yung mga, for example, kakabit ko yung jelly case for the tempered glass. Hindi ako confident na magkabit nito kasi lagi ako nagkakamali. Pero we will try it na rin din. But first, i-fire up na muna natin tong si Tecno Pova at para ma-install natin ng gaming apps, social media apps din, at para magamit na rin din agad natin for our review. Okay, let's do this. Okay, Tecno Pova. Ayan, nakita mo yung kanyang color blue. So, fire up na natin to at mag-install na tayo ng apps. Tago ko muna tong box. So, okay, let's power it up. Sana may charge. Yes, may charge siya. Nakalagay dito, malinaw na malinaw. Powered by Android. So, for sure, meron tong Google Mobile Services, meron din siyang Play Store. Ano pa ba? Ayun. So, antayin na tayo ng konti. Ayun na yung logo. Wow, may sounds pa. Tecno. Okay, na-fire up na natin yung Tecno Mobile. So, select tayo ng language natin. It's English. Start. After that, select natin yung ating country, which is, we are here in the Philippines. Uy, nawala yung Philippines. Teka lang. Ayun. Next. Wala tayong SIM na ilalagay muna. So, skip muna tayo. At connecting to Wi-Fi. So, teka lang. Connect muna ako sa Wi-Fi. And now, we are now connected to our Wi-Fi. Terms of use. Click lang natin to. Tapos, next. Checking for updates. Antay lang din natin tong checking updates niya. So, very excited na ako to try this for gaming. Kasi 6,000 mAh yung battery nito. Grabe. Oh, medyo matagal Checking for updates pa rin din siya. Ayan na. Copy apps and data. Don't copy. Starts tayo always fresh. Alright. Checking info. Ayan na. Mag-sign in tayo ng ating Google account. So, napansin nyo, no, yung battery is 66%. Yun yung naiwan yung battery charge, factory charge dito sa Tecno Pova. Okay, login muna tayo. At ito na, nakapag-login na tayo. Let's click agree. Getting account information. So for sure, going to install PUBG, Call of Duty. Try natin yung Fortnite kung gagana. Okay, click nyo lang yan. Accept. Just a second. So your assistant will be right with you. Yung Google Assistant, no, ito yun yung launcher niya, nasa left side, yung red button. Problema, minsan sa games napipindot ko siya. Pero sa feature ng game mode ni Tecno Pova, baka hindi maglo-launch yung Google Assistant pagka naglalaro tayo. So, next lang tayo. Huwag tayo mag-subscribe. Okay, next. Agree. I agree. Tapos, your assistant can already recognize your voice. Okay, good job. Thank you. And no thanks. I think we are done na rin yata. No? I think meron pang fingerprinting. Fingerprint scanning. Ayan na. So, let's choose the fingerprint. Okay, fingerprint pattern. So, paano ba to? So, maglalagay muna ako ng 4-pin digits. Okay, lang. Maglagay muna tayo ng digits. Okay na, nakapag-login na tayo ng 4 digits. So, let's proceed now sa fingerprint scanning. So, sa fingerprint, nasa ilalim siya. So, I'll be using my right pointy finger. Ayan. Ayan, itsura niyan. Nagba-vibrate yung phone pagka nag-i-scan siya. Again, scan area to duplicate daw eh. Ayan, okay na. Face unlock, yes, I want the face unlock. So, yan na, yung instructions niya, nakalagay dito. Next, saan yung picture? Ito na. Alright, nascan na tayo. Skip the lock screen, remain in lock screen. Ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Okay. Okay, start. I think okay na. Do not remove the battery daw. Long press power key for 8 seconds daw ay magto-turn off yung phone. Ayan, buti may mga advice silang gano'n na huwag katanggalin yung battery kasi hindi siya removable. Okay, ito na. Yung Tecno Pova smartphone, gaming smartphone from Tecno Philippines. Tecno Mobile Philippines. Wow, ang ganda. It's very smooth. Okay, iOS launcher. Okay, allow lang natin siya. Ayan. Okay. So, meron ba siyang ano? Wala siyang ano, mini menu. Wala siyang mini menu. So, very smooth. Ang ganda ng ang sa kamay. Very smooth. So, that's it guys. Ating unboxing and setup. But first, let's check out the application. So, yung mga pre-installed siya ng Google. Ayan. Gmail. Play Store. Meron siyang Play Store. Confirmed. Ano pa ba? AI Gallery. This is the photo gallery, I'm sure. Tapos, Chrome. Meron siyang Chrome. Other pre-installed app. Facebook. Meron siya dito mga folders ng mga games. PUBG Mobile. I guess it's the old version, no? Kailangan i-update natin yan. Ano pa ba? Boomplay, hindi ko alam yan. Xshare, AHA Games Pa? Ano ba itong Games Pa? Oops. So, meron dito, what is A to Z? Yung menu. A to Z is the menu over here. Tapos, syempre, ito yung camera. For the camera, uy, may HDRA. Ayusin natin yung screen natin. Oops, naging 1:1. Wide, ayoko ng wide. So, I'll stick to 4:3. AI camera, may video, short video. Wow, short video. I think it's for 10 seconds, I think. Slow motion. Slow motion nila is up to 120 FPS. Ano pa ba? May bokeh, AR shot, panorama. For documents, wow, this is new for me. Yung camera for documents. Oops. Let's go back to the video. Set up na rin natin to. So, I'm recording at 1080p. For the settings ng video quality is 1080p. Hanggang 2K siya. Wow, okay na rin hanggang 2K. And wala na akong ibang nakikitang menu. Maliban dun sa shutter lang. So, wala na akong ibang settings. So, for the selfie naman, it's 1080p nakalagay dito. 1080p. Check natin yung settings. Quality is 2K din yung front camera. Wow, matindi. Tapos 1080p din. Nice. So, yun lang, no. Gagawa naman tayo ng vlog test nito para alis makapag-test tayo for the performance ng camera niya. So, yun. So, yun guys, this is the end of our unboxing of the Tecno Pova na gaming smartphone from Tecno Mobile Philippines. So, let's go back now to our epilogue para makapag-install na ako ng mga games dito. Makapaglaro na tayo, makapag-testing na. Alright, let's do this! So, yun na guys, ito yung ating na-unbox na Tecno Pova. Very excited to try this for gaming and social media, vlogging, photography, online class. Ayun, maganda yung kanilang specs na ino-offer for a very small and affordable price, which is 6,999. But according to their Facebook page, this October 15 at 12 midnight, they will be offering the Tecno Pova for the first 1,000 buyers. Ang price na lang niya is 6,499 plus may kasama siyang Gadget Zone 8. Hindi ko lang kung ano yung Gadget Zone 8 eh. But I think the price now is offering nila is 5,999. So 6,000 na lang pala to sa offer nila. And then for the 3,000 buyers, makukuha nila itong Pova phone for 6,499. Wala na ba siyang freebies? Wala na siyang kasamang freebies. So ayun, so pagka sa regular day na kayo after October 15 o naubusan na kayo ng slot, you'll get this for 6,999. So yun, avail nyo na, daabang murang-mura this October 15, starting 12 midnight. Malamang mga tao ngayon ay nagkakagulo na para bumili ng Tecno Pova smartphone. So yun, thank you so much Tecno Pova for this, Tecno Mobile Philippines. Maraming salamat. At kay Fifth Gear for giving me a chance again to try their awesome phones ng kanilang client, which is Tecno Mobile Philippines. So Tecno Pova, see you, at maglalagay na tayo ng mga apps para makapag-games na rin din tayo. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't you forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you at the next video, vlog, adventure. Yeah ba? Mag-gamings tayo! Woohoo!